Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the week of Sunday, August 20th. I'm just going to go over some of the upcoming weather impacts that are expected across southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi for this week. Starting off with a little bit of a situation overview here. The tropics are active right now, but no current threat to the local area is expected. Hazardous heat continues to be the main impact for us across the area, and we also have some critical fire conditions sitting in place for the majority of the area as well. So just taking a look at that tropical weather outlook, as you can see, the tropics are very active right now. Several disturbances and systems out there. As of right now, none of these are expected to be an impact to southeast Louisiana or coastal Mississippi over the next 7 days. There is that disturbance down there in the Gulf of Mexico that has a 70% chance of development, but as of now, it is expected to stay south of the area. Here's a look at the day 3 to 7 hazard outlook. As you can see, it's highlighted all of the state of Louisiana and Mississippi in the hazardous heat impacts. Confidence is moderate to high right now on us reaching at least heat advisory criteria each day this week, possibly even up to excessive heat warning criteria for some days and some areas throughout the week. And then taking a look at how things will be next week and maybe even next weekend, it unfortunately isn't looking to get any better. We are still sitting in the likely above probability of above normal temperatures heading in the next week and next weekend. And then because of all the dryness and the heat we've been having, we are sitting in a moderate to severe drought for nearly the entire area, and this will likely continue until we can get some rainfall coming in here. Hopefully won't be too long, but it might be a little while yet. And then because of all that dryness and the heat, we also do have some very dangerous fire conditions across the area. So all of the North Shore and coastal and southern Mississippi are under a red flag warning to start the week for a combination of some gusty winds and abundant dryness as well. And then all of the South Shore, southeast Louisiana there, we have issued a fire danger statement. Just kind of reminding everybody to take precaution with any open flames, not parking on any grassy areas, disposing of cigarettes in a proper manner, and just anything that we can do to avoid any dangerous fire situations. So just a summary of the impacts here. The tropics are heating up, but no local impacts are expected at this time. And then excessive heat continues to be the main impact this week and possibly into next week as well. And then, like I said, we've got those dangerous fire conditions sitting across the entire area right now as well. So everybody have a good week, and we will see you next week.